How to draw Kai from Deer Patrol. Hey, learn how to draw Hub crew. So to begin, we're going to start off by making the nose of Kai. The nose should look similar to a triangle with curved edges. We're going to go ahead and color in this nose black. Nice job. Now directly underneath of the nose, we're going to make an upside down T. This will be the beginning of the mouth. Let's use a big U-like shape to connect from the left side over to the right side of the upside down T that we just made. Nice start learning how to draw Hub crew. Now let's go ahead and add in a tongue on the bottom of the mouth along with teeth on the top of the mouth. Next up, above the nose and mouth that we just drew, we're going to begin to make the circles of the eyes. So we're going to go ahead and make one circle on the left hand side, followed by one on the right. These will both look similar to egg-like shapes. Now inside of each circle that we just drew, we're going to begin to add in the pupils. We're going to add in a curved line, followed by a small circle, and then we're going to make the pupil. The pupil will be big and black. Now let's move a little to the right to do the exact same thing that we just did on the left hand side. Also, if you enjoy watching step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this, then I highly recommend you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you up to date on the latest drawing tutorials every single day. Fantastic! So far this is coming along very well. Now we're going to make a big upside down U-like shape around everything that we just made to make the first part of the head. On the left and right hand side of the head, we're going to begin to make the ears. The ears will look similar to half curvy rectangle shapes that will be pointed down. Nice, let's move on over to the right hand side and do the exact same thing. Next, on the top of the head towards the left, we're going to begin to make the first antler of Kai. We're going to do this by making a long curvy L-like shape that's sideways, with 3 upside down U-like shapes that are connected. And the last U-like shape will connect to the head. Awesome! Now just how we did everything else twice, we're going to do the same thing for the antler, and we're going to go right above the second ear. Now, moving below and to the right, we're going to begin to make the first arm of Kai. We're going to make it appear as if Kai is running. So we're going to use a long curvy line that will connect to the head. Be very careful when doing this step and be sure to pause the video as you need. At the very top of the hand, we're going to make a small curved line going from left to right. Later on in the video, we're going to color this in black. So do you remember earlier on when I said we're going to make it appear as if Kai is running? Well, a little to the left, we're going to begin to make the second arm, but this will be a little bit smaller. This will help make it appear as if Kai is running. Now from the inside of the left arm that we just drew, we're going to make a long curvy upside down U-like shape going from the left arm all the way over to the right arm. This will be the lower half of the body of Kai. Next, we're going to begin to make the legs, but we're going to make it appear as if the left leg is down on the ground and as if the right leg is almost behind Kai. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Be very careful and be sure to pause the video as you please once more. Awesome, that looks great. It really does look as if Kai is running. Now on the left foot, we're going to add in 2 small upside down U-like shapes for the toes. Now certain parts of Kai's body have a cream color and some parts have a dark caramel color. We're going to go ahead and make an outline right now so that we can separate those colors later on when we color in Kai. Also, be sure to stick around till the end of the video so that we can color our drawing together. Now when we draw our second line separating color, we're not going to connect it to the head, it's going to go right in between the head and the eye, and it's going to go down and connect to the body. Now last but not least, to separate the colors on the body, we're going to use a backward C-like shape by the left arm. Thanks for watching on How to Draw Hub. This is How to Draw Kai Express. If it helped you, be sure to give it a big like so that other artists can see it as well. Now stick around so that we can color our drawing together. Also, be sure to subscribe if you want to see more videos just like this. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.